Watch me act stupid. Down, this gonna go down. This freaking vibe is so nice. Gonna drink.
What's up, peeps? Welcome back to my channel. Today is day 2 of my 5-minute workouts. I'll be doing it for the next 30 days to get some abs, 6-pack. Yeah. I know I look a little rusty around the edge. I haven't been to a barber in lot. 2 months and 2 weeks. Yeah, I haven't done a lot of exercise over the years. So I'm in a little bit of pain from day 1. But let's get into it. As I said, I'll be doing some simpler exercises today. Alrighty, so I think I'm gonna do each one for like 30 minutes. Shit, 30 seconds. If you can touch your toes, you touch your toe. I guess probably in week 2, I'll be able to touch my toes, but I can't right now. Brace your upper body, hands behind your neck, and just cross your hands each side. Keep your legs off the ground and just, yeah. It might seem girly, but trust me, it ain't. Once you're keeping your legs off the ground, you feel it in your back. I think that's 7 seconds. Give me a second. I guess by next week my body will get used to all this. But right now, I'm in an unhealthy place. Alright, let's go again. Alright. And on this side, hips together. This one's a little bit easier. And don't let your hip touch the ground, just up, down. Then you switch sides. Hips together, or legs together rather. I'll add the names of these exercises. I don't know what they're called, but I know they're good for abs. I really want to get that 6-pack for the summer body. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I guess this one is called the Russian twist. Not sure why, but let's get it. Legs together, on the ground. 1, 2, 12. If you need to take a little break because you're gonna feel it in your back. I mean, what was that, what, 12? 13, 14. It's recommended you do it for 45 seconds. Raise your body up. Bring your legs as close to your head as possible. 1, 2. You'll feel it most in your legs. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Woo! That was more than 5 minutes. So if you're really trying to work out and work on your abs, it's best to do these exercises for like 10 to 15 minutes per day. If you want that summer body or coronavirus summer body, you have to dedicate, you have to be disciplined and just go for it. Yeah, so until tomorrow, stay safe, take care. Remember to like, share, and if you haven't as yet, subscribe. Thank you.
Watch me ask you down, down, this gonna go down, down. This freaking vibes is so nice. Gonna drink